Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I'm gonna design on the fly again and create this cute little star paw print pendant. This design is inspired by a star flower design by Back to Earth Creations, and I turned that design into a little star paw print. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how. All right, so this is a little bit of an experiment. This is a star flower design, as they call it. Really simple. It's like 5 beads, 1 continuous wire winding through to lock these beads together and create a star in the middle, which you can see on both sides. I'm going to take 5 beads as well, but I'm going to take 1 large one. This is a 10mm and 4 6mm, and I want to try to create a little paw print design, kind of like that with the 4 toes. So I'm just going to work off this spool. I chose 22 gauge wire, it's bare copper, and I want the bail to come up in between the toes. So I'm going to feed these on, too small. The large one, and the last 2. These are just beads I had on hand. These are from Michael's. I think they call them just some fancy agate. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a tail because I'm gonna use that for the bail. And I'm gonna carefully bend these guys up to meet. To make like a paw print shape. And I'm gonna bend this wire around just a tad, just to lock it in place. So far so good. Okay, so to make the star, I'm gonna come forward with this first wire. I'm working off the spool, so this one's just gonna hang off to the side. So I'm gonna come across 2, gonna lock these first 2 in. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna come to the other side and lock these 2 in to the right, if you want to say right side, and then I'm gonna flip it over and lock those 2 on the left, and same thing, flip it over, lock the 2 on the right, and just keep doing this pattern. Lock 2 on the left, lock the 2 on the right, lock the 2 on the left, and you keep doing this until you create a star on both sides. So I do the left and do the right, and you should end up where you started, just like that. And hopefully I make a star and what looks like a paw print. So I'm gonna wind this around my base, my bail wire, a couple times. Snip that. Smash that down. What do you guys think? Does it look like a paw print? A star paw print. I'm gonna come through and gently kind of press these wires down. So I'm just looking at both sides and kind of evening out these wires a bit. I think it does look like a paw print. All right, to finish it off, what I usually do is I take a dowel of some sort. I have these metal rods from my coiling gizmo, and I just wrap it around 2-3 times, like so. And twist it around. So that was a pretty cool experiment. I like how that turned out. And for earrings, you can make a duplicate and kind of put your ear wires through here. I might make this a pendant. And for a pendant, I just grabbed a pre-made jump ring, copper colored. Throw that on here like this. There, let me put the necklace through there. I think this turned out pretty cool. Probably can tighten up a little bit, but okay, I think that's it. Thanks for joining me for this little experiment. I think it turned out pretty good. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.